What would you do with the benefits from your online business if you had one? I don't mean the money that comes in 24/7. I mean the time freedom. The freedom to do whatever you want to do, whatever you're passionate about, from wherever in the world you want to work from. Once our global crisis is over, that is. What would you do with your time freedom? This is Monday morning. I'm walking my dog, as I like to call it, my commute, and this is what I love to do with my time freedom, taking the dog for long walks around the beautiful countryside that I live in. What would you do with your time freedom? How did I learn to do this? Well, I joined a global community of digital entrepreneurs that support a training platform, online training platform, that taught me how to generate multiple streams of online income and create a business and a lifestyle that I love. So I did this in my 50s. So if you're thinking you're too old, the answer is you're not. I didn't have any technical skills. If you're thinking you're lacking those, then that's not going to stop you. What's holding you back? Now the whole world's moved online. Isn't it about time you did? Now the whole world's moved online. Isn't it about time you stop spending online and generating income for other people and start generating income for yourself and build that dream lifestyle that you've always told yourself you're going to do? Create a lifestyle for you and the family that you can be proud of. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link or a button that will say learn more at the bottom of this video or at the top. Click on it, take you to my webpage, give me your contact details, and I'll send you the same free video series that got me started, and look forward to seeing you on the other side, I hope. I hope what I've been talking about today really resonates with you, and if it does, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel using the button here. Alternatively, you may want to watch a recent interview with me and learn more about my journey to become a digital entrepreneur.